Hello, so this application called Invoice Auto Check will allow you to download, auto print your invoices and also send them to the customer automatically. So let's see how that works. So first we need to go to point of sale. Under configurations, we will go to settings. Under settings, we have a new option called Invoice Auto Check. So we will enable this. Now here you have two other options called Allow Auto Print Invoice and Disallow Auto Print Invoice. So if you disallow auto print invoice, the invoice will not be printed automatically. But if you allow that, a new operation will appear over here, which allows you to either download, send by email, or both download and send by email the invoice directly to the customer. So here under that, we also have the option of how you want to send the email. So do you want it at the interval of every 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or month? So you can choose that and you can enable all these configurations and save this. So once that is done, we will go to our point of sale and we will open our shop. Okay, so let me add a few products here. I will choose the customer as well. And I will move to payment. So here you can see we already have the option of invoice selected. I will choose bank and I will validate this. So you can see our invoice is automatically printed, downloaded. You can see that you can print this then. So here you have the details of the products and all the invoice details. Now this invoice will also be sent to the email because we chose the option. Now let's go to our inbox and see how it looks like. So let me refresh my email and you can see I have a new email. We have this particular invoice. You can see this is the invoice that we just generated. And this is how you can easily download and print the invoice and also send the invoice to the customer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.